How to create YouTube shorts from existing video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily make some YouTube shorts from your existing video on YouTube. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open up your YouTube, and once you do so, you can find your existing videos on your profile. Go ahead and tap on the U section at the bottom right corner, and then tap on View Channel. From here, you will find your existing video that you have uploaded, or on the Shorts section, you will find the shorts that you have uploaded. So on the video, you can just tap on it and then download it like this. Because there is no current function to separate your short from your YouTube video, so you will have to download it, edit it, and make sure that it fits the short section, and then re-upload it again as shorts. So that is the only way that you can re-upload your YouTube video as a YouTube short. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.